Welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie, and if you are new here, I like to go by RAZALASJ. Thank you so much for watching with me today. As I promised in my last video of where the beep have I been, I wanted to make more tutorials with the Opalescent palette. And this is one of the looks that I'm wearing that I had come up with. This one was really fun. I enjoyed doing this purple like fairy tale type look. I really hope you all enjoy watching this video. I am wearing different like clothes because I did record these videos on different days. So please let me know if you are interested in seeing more looks from the Opalescent palette. I would love to play with it a little bit more. But yeah, comment down below what you're interested in seeing for me in 2021. Happy New Year to you all. If you are watching this, it's most likely after New Year's, so Happy New Year. I hope you all stay blessed. If you haven't already, please subscribe and make sure you click that bell notification to make sure you know when I post. So yeah, please enjoy this video and have a wonderful new year of 2021. Bye! Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for checking in with me. I'm going to be taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. I really like this eye primer on the lids. As my first transition shade, I'm going to be using this color, and I'm kind of just putting that into my crease area. Because this shade isn't that pigmented, I'm just going to use this as my transition shade, and then I will come back to it later. This is definitely one of my favorite shades in the palette. It's very pigmented, and when I was initially going into this look, I wasn't really sure what I was going to do, so I decided to go in with Charm and do kind of a monochromatic look, kind of like peachy, orangey. With this color, I'm really focusing on the outer corners, a little bit lower than the original color that I was using. And then you can see I kind of go back in with the lighter color, but this one is more of a pink. And I kind of mix between this pink color and the Alluring color, and then going back in with Charm in the outer corner just to deepen out a little bit more. We want to make sure everything is blended. To deepen up the crease a little bit more, I'm going to take this dark brown color and keep that really focused on the outer corner. You can see I'm using more of a dense tapered brush and only focusing that in the outer corner. I'm not going into my crease anymore. To add some shimmer, I'm going to take this really pretty peachy color and just add that onto the lid, the area where I didn't have any eyeshadow at all. For this really pretty golden peach color, I'm going to be adding that in my inner corners just to have a little bit of a pop. And now my camera died, so I lost my footage where I added some eyeliner and my lashes. So I'm just showing you the products that I used on my lips, and this basically completes the look. I hope you all enjoyed. It was very easy, simple, but very monochromatic. As you can see, the lips and the eyes kind of coincide with one another. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Alright y'all, thank you so much for staying if you've made it this far. I'm going to prime my lids with the Fenty concealer this time. I really like this concealer. I love the consistency of it on my lids, and it just feels really good. This is a color 190. I'm also taking a Sephora brush, a very blendy brush, and adding the color Bright, which is a very pinkish color. This time I'm not really showing you guys the colors. I'm using that color Bright as a transition color, and now going in with that bold purple color into the palette, and I'm kind of creating a V, kind of creating that like a winged effect. To create that wing effect, I'm really elongating and using that tapered brush. Then going back in with the blending brush to make sure everything is blended using that color Bright. And I just continue to do this, continue to use the tapered area of the brush to really elongate the eyeshadow. To get that perfect wing-like eyeshadow, I have to do this multiple times, going back in with the purple, going back in with that transition shade to make sure everything is blended. After, I go in with a pretty shimmer shade. It's called Magic and it has like an iridescent purple to it. To really make the inner corners pop, I'm using this light purple shade and kind of mixing between the iridescent purple, the Magic, and my inner corner, and kind of blending those together. To ensure everything looks cohesive, blended, I go back in with the tapered brush and make sure everything looks good with the purple. Go back in with the blending brush to make sure everything is blended at the top, and using the flat brush to make sure the eyeshadow looks good too. For liner, I'm using my favorite roller liner from Benefit. This is really good. It's very matte as well. Also, really quickly, just want to mention my friend who works at Sephora gave me this roller liner as a gift, so that's why it looks like there's a tester sticker on the liner. Off camera, I apply my lashes. This style is really pretty and they are now available at Target. That's where I bought this pair of lashes. For liner, I'm going to be using NYX Cosmetics and it's kind of like a deep purple type liner. For lipstick, I'm using the Patrick Ta Beauty Silky Lip Creme. I love this stuff. It's so good and feels really great on the lips. And after applying, I want to go in with the liner again just to make sure everything is blended. After that, this really completes our look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing anything else from me or if you want to see more tutorials using the Opalescent palette. Thanks guys, bye! If you have not already, you please subscribe to... I really hope you all enjoyed the video and I hope that you enjoyed watching. I hope you...